Hey guys, in this video we're going to be reviewing and unboxing the 32-inch Insignia TV. I got it right here. It's the Fire TV edition. So we have all the apps and all the platforms, as you guys can see right here. We have Prime Video, Netflix, YouTube, we have Disney Plus, and we also have Hulu. I did want to point out that it is 720 pixels. You could also get the 1080 or the 4K depending on what you guys like. And I want to point out that I got the 32-inch, but there's different sizes, so you guys kind of just look out for what size is better for you. I'm using this for the office, so that's why I picked 32. I think it's a pretty good size. I do want to point out that it is integrated with Alexa, so we have voice remote with Alexa, so you guys could do all the commands and all that good stuff if you guys have a home that's set up for Alexa. I'm going to flip it to the back so you guys can see a couple more details. So I want to point out a couple of the different ports that it has. We are going to open it and take a look, but I just want to show you guys before we get started. You guys, it does have 3 HDMI ports. It has 1 USB. That's very important for me right there. We do have a headphone jack. That's not that important to me, but it's cool that it does have that. And we have a digital output optical. That's that right here. Bring it over here to this side. We do have the LAN, which is the Ethernet connection. And then we do have the video and then the 2 audio connections, and also an antenna and cable input. I'm going to be purchasing an antenna, and we're going to be hooking that up too. So that's a little bit of what's going on here with the box. I did order from Amazon, so I like how it has the security seal all around it, so I know nobody's tampered with it. So let's get it open. I want to show you guys how it looks. So we just took it out the box, and the first thing I want to point out is I really like how they keep it protected. They put like a nice little cardboard overlay on top of the screen. That way it protects your screen from cracking during the delivery. So I wanted to point that out. I really do like that. And then I want to show you guys a couple of the things that it actually came with. It did come with 2 of the stands right here. Okay, we're going to be putting that there and there. And then, of course, it did come with that nice, sleek remote I was talking about earlier. And it's cool that it does have the buttons. Like we have Netflix, we have Prime Video, we have Hulu, and then we also have Disney Plus. So that's a nice little remote right there. And then we even have the voice remote controller right there. You guys, it does come with a manual. And then it also comes with some extra batteries that we could actually put into the remote. And then also the power connector right here. So we're going to be connecting all this up. I want to show you guys what it looks like outside this bag. So let me just pull it down for you. You guys, I just took it out of the bag, and it's nice, it's sleek, it looks clean. So far so good. It only weighs 11 pounds, so I could kind of like move this all around. And I did want to show you guys the ports before we get moving any further. And so that's everything I was talking about earlier. We have the Ethernet, and then we have the AV in, which is the video, and then the left and right audio. And then of course we have that coax cable for either the cable or the antenna. And then I do want to point out, you guys, we have 3 HDMI cables, and then we have that USB cable I was talking about earlier. Like I said, this is going to be for my office, so I'm going to be setting it up to watch TV. And also I'm going to be hooking up my laptop to this when I want to watch something on the bigger screen instead of watching it on my 14-inch laptop. Okay, so let's put the bottom pieces on, and then let's turn this on so we can actually check it out. I'm about to put the stand on right now. We do have a left and a right. It's marked by L and R, and then also there's an arrow to show you which way is facing front. So it's going to be the front screen of the actual TV. And it did come with some screws, and that's what we're going to be screwing in. So it's a little red bag. It has 4 screws. It's going to be 2 and 2. So for instance, so I'm going to be placing it just like this, and I'm going to be putting this 2 screws in all the way, screwing them in. I'm going to do the same with the other side. As you guys can see, I put the 2 screws in there, so it's nice, it's tight, it's secure, so we're good to go now. We could actually put it on the stand. I did want to point out, like, it has the little rubber tips right here. It has all 4 of them, so, you know, it's not going to damage whatever you put it on. I do also want to point out that if you guys plan on putting it on a stand, it does come with the 4 screws already ready to go. I am going to be buying a wall mount, and I am going to be putting this on the wall, actually. You guys, so we do have the power cord. It came in this little baggie right here. We just took it out the bag. We're gonna undo this. And then, so it's a standard, it's your standard US plug right here. And then on the other side, it is your monitor or your TV connection right here. So it's just a simple plug right here. Nothing too fancy. We just want to push it all the way and have it nice and secure, and then we're going to plug the other side in. Like I mentioned, it does come with 2 AAA batteries, and it comes with this awesome remote. We're going to just take it out, and then we're going to go ahead and put the batteries in. The whole bottom slides out like so. So the whole bottom just slid out, and then it just slides right back on like so. So now we're good to go. We can actually turn our TV on now. So we just powered up the TV right now, and it was asking for the Wi-Fi password. So we went ahead and put that in, and now it's loading up for our Fire TV edition. So I can't wait to get this turned on and show you guys what it looks like. So now it's asking us to select our experience, and we're definitely gonna go with the full instead of the basic, because we want Alexa and we want different features like different apps. We want the Alexa voice control for sure, and we want to be signed in to Amazon. So let me go ahead and sign in, and then I'll probably go to Netflix, and I kind of just want to show you guys how it looks. So you guys, we finished logging in, and as you guys can see right here, the picture quality is great. I found Minions, and I was like, let me check out Minions and see how it looks, and it does look great. I was messing with the volume. I think it has pretty good volume for a TV, but of course, if you guys want the bass and the very, very crisp sound, you probably have to get an external speaker system and all that good stuff. But I just want to show you guys how Alexa works real quick. Like I told you guys, I love the picture. Okay, so let's test out Alexa. All you have to do is hold the button. The Grinch That Stole Christmas. So we just hold the button, we wait for that little tone, we talk into it, and then it's searching for The Grinch That Stole Christmas, or for whatever you guys want to watch. So as you guys can see, that was pretty quick. It just pulled it up just like that. We can hit enter, and we can start watching The Grinch That Stole Christmas. I really like this, you guys. And for the value, like, I really do like this. And I definitely recommend the Insignia 32-inch or whatever size that you guys are good with TV.